Welcome to the very unofficial travel guide. I'm James, and today we're diving into the land down under. Australia, a country so vast and diverse, it redefines adventure. Sun-kissed beaches, rugged outback, vibrant cities, and wildlife you won't find anywhere else. Pack your bags, slather on sunscreen, and learn some Aussie slang, because things are about to get wild. First up, we're diving into one of the most incredible natural wonders on Earth, the Great Barrier Reef. Imagine snorkeling in crystal clear water, surrounded by a kaleidoscope of coral and fish. It's like swimming in a living aquarium. Over 1,400 miles of reefs, home to 1,500 species of fish, sharks, rays, and sea turtles. Be respectful, follow sustainable tourism practices, and protect this underwater paradise for future generations. Next stop, Sydney. No trip to Sydney is complete without visiting the iconic Sydney Opera House. Even if opera isn't your thing, this architectural masterpiece is a sight to behold. Those soaring white sails are like something out of a futuristic dream. It hosts everything from ballet and symphony orchestras to rock concerts. Buckle up, adventurers, for one of the world's most scenic drives, the Great Ocean Road. Picture dramatic cliffs plunging into the Southern Ocean, windswept beaches begging to be explored, and the iconic 12 Apostles. Spot koalas in eucalyptus trees, whales breaching offshore, and visit charming seaside towns along the way. Deep in the heart of Australia's Red Centre lies Uluru, a place of profound spiritual significance for the Anangu people, and a sight that will leave you speechless. This massive sandstone monolith glows in the changing light, especially at sunrise and sunset. Respect the wishes of the traditional owners and experience its majesty by taking a guided tour or attending a cultural performance. Let's swap the outback for some urban exploration. Melbourne, Australia's cultural capital, begs to be discovered on foot, especially its hidden laneways. These narrow alleyways are like a secret world, bursting with colourful street art, quirky cafes, independent boutiques, and a buzzing energy you won't find anywhere else. Prepare to be amazed by the Daintree rainforest, one of the oldest on Earth. It's 180 million years old, a biodiversity hotspot, home to unique plants and animals. Take a guided tour, go ziplining, or soak up the tranquility. No trip to Australia is complete without a visit to the beach, and Bondi Beach is the ultimate Aussie beach experience. This iconic stretch of golden sand is a magnet for surfers and sunbathers. Be sure to take the Bondi to Coogee coastal walk for breathtaking ocean views. Off the southern coast of mainland Australia lies Tasmania, a rugged island paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Hike in Freycinet National Park, explore Cradle Mountain Lake St Clair, or encounter wildlife like Tasmanian devils and wombats. Tasmania is a place to escape into nature and reconnect with the great outdoors. Calling all wine enthusiasts. A trip to Australia isn't complete without visiting the Barossa Valley, one of its premier wine regions. Located in South Australia, the Barossa boasts rolling hills, charming villages, and over 150 family-owned wineries. Sample world-class Shiraz, Cabernet Sauvignon, and Riesling. Indulge in gourmet food and wine pairings, and learn about winemaking from passionate winemakers. Australians know how to throw a party, and there's no better way to experience the country's vibrant culture. From music festivals like Splendour in the Grass, to food and wine events like the Taste of Tasmania and the Melbourne Food and Wine Festival. There's something for everyone. There you have it, folks. 10 incredible things you must do in Australia. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a beach bum, or a culture vulture, Australia has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next adventure.